age of 14, Hitler announced to collect all the boys 14 years old to join his army so that they will become more strong. Training will be followed by the officers, officials, army, the officers of the army, the generals. So they were trained accordingly at the age of 14. It was compulsory to join the army at the age of 14. And now let us come to the Nazi cult of motherhood. Hitler also announced that there is vast difference, biological difference. Apart from biological difference, the mental temperament and difference between the men and women. So, women, they had to follow the rules and regulations of the time. They had to look after their children. They had to be modest and sober. They had to be polite. They should not be aggressive. They were to follow the orders of the male members of the family. And the women, or usually the girls, unmarried girls, they were told to protect or preserve their race. And after marriage, the women, they had the duty to protect and preserve their race. And the women, if they used to give birth of a child, the child was not pure as blonde, blue-eyed Aryans. Which Aryan? The Nordic Aryans, German Aryans, including mother, that means mother and children, both were thrown out of the country, or they were compelled to leave the country, or if they could not, they were tortured along with their children. And that was the common practice of the time. And the mothers, those used to give birth of pure German, that the Nordic German Aryans, they were rewarded. Children, they were rewarded. The mothers also appreciated, they were also appreciated. So guys, this sort of segregation, this sort of discrimination, those were quite visible in Germany, and in the entire world they used to watch this, these activities of Hitler. So this was the condition of the women, those who was not belonged to, who were not those who were not belong to the blonde-eyed original Germans. They were filled with misery, very miserable life they used to lead, the mothers and the children, the life of segregation, the life of discrimination, the life of humiliation. That was the common factor during the time. And as consequence, many Jews and other black people also, and other menial category, according to Hitler, they were compelled to migrate to other countries. So that was the scenario of the time, that women who bore racially undesirable, they were crushed, they were tortured, they were humiliated along with their children. And now guys, the last heading is that establishment of racial state Then Hitler, his last step was to establish Germany on the basis of racialism. Only the pure Nordic German Aryans will be the inhabitants of Germany. Rest, Jews, they were called as undesirable, and other race, they were also known as undesirable. This term undesirable, it was only related to the Jews, but other races, whoever the other people, black or other, even the Polish and the Russians also, they were also amongst them. They were also considered as the menial category. So he ordered to leave the country, to leave Germany. There is no place for you. So where they would go? Germany, it was their native place. So whoever they could escape from Germany, they migrated to other countries. The Polish or the Russians, whoever they used to stay, anyhow they managed to migrate to other countries in search of job. And the rest of the Jews who escaped, who migrated, apart from that, the rest of the Jews who remained there, Hitler murdered them through Holocaust, killed them through Holocaust. He had so intense hatred feelings about those Jews that he murdered them in gas chamber. This process, it is known as Holocaust. Holocaust, Holocaust. In gas chamber, pregnant ladies along with children, that aged, elderly people, middle-aged, all, they were put inside the gas chamber. Outside, the door was locked, the gas was on, and with suffocation. 6 million Jews were killed during that time in this process known as Holocaust. And this process, it continued between 1941 to 1945, when World War broke. During that time, Hitler could not tolerate those Jews during World War, because now I told you, because Hitler, he was thinking that whatever the haphazard situation, whatever the political unrestness, it was taking place due to these informers. It was Hitler's concept. He was guessing that they were the informers. They had touch with other countries also. Those were the enemy countries of Germany, and that is why during 1941 to 1945, this Holocaust, this process, it continued, and 6 million Jews were murdered, and especially through trains. Those passengers, that means those Jews, they were transported to Poland, generally in Poland. These Jews were killed in gas chamber known as Holocaust. So, not only the German Jews, whatever the countries, those were under Germany in Europe, among those countries were Poland, Denmark, Norway, Belgium, Netherlands, France, etc. Those were under Germany, German colonies or German annexed, captured. So there were many Jews there. Amongst those Jews, these peoples were also murdered in this process. So guys, this much for the day, and this is the end of this chapter. So on the basis of this chapter, I am going to give you some questions. You go through the entire chapter thoroughly, read this, and then you answer the questions.